The Supreme Court now has gone through the sealed cover report in connection with the Manipur violence case. The report is on former Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh. Supreme Court has also now called for a fresh report in the matter. There was a plea filed in the court seeking probe against Biren Singh in handling the situation in Manipur. We understand the plea also had said that Biren Singh was involved in Manipur violence, and the Supreme Court has taken stock of the sealed report. The Supreme Court has now gone through the sealed cover report, and we also now understand the top court has apparently asked for a fresh report in the case. My colleague Nupur is also now joining us on the broadcast here. Nupur, take us through the details as to what happened in the court in regard with the Manipur violence case.
Well, today, in fact, the bench headed by Chief Justice of India, Sanjiv Khanna, went through the sealed covered FSL report. The FSL reports were pertaining to the alleged leaked audio tapes, which were allegedly attributed to Biren Singh, where he was said to be making statements where it could be concluded from those statements that he had a role in instigating violence in Manipur during the Manipur violence outbreak. Now, previously, the petitioners, the advocate Prashant Bhushan, representing the Kuki Organisation that has brought this petition to the top court, had in fact told the court that truth labs have established that at least the voice matches Biren Singh's voice in the audio tape. Still, there is more than 95% match there. But the top court had in fact ordered a forensic proper CFSL report by the government. Now, this report is also placed. So today, the top court has got a fresh report. After going through the ingredients of this report, it has asked the Solicitor General to present a fresh FSL report in July and has said that the investigation will continue in the meantime as apprised to the court by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta.
All right. Thanks so much, Nupur, for getting us those details. My colleague Ratnadeep also now joins us on the broadcast. He's been tracking the situation in Manipur for the last 2 years, ever since the violence began in Manipur. Also, Ratnadeep, Biren Singh had to quit. He had to resign from his post 2 years after Manipur violence had begun, and there was much criticism of Biren Singh in terms of handling the situation on the ground, of course. What does this investigation mean?
Well, this investigation has been on for some time now, ever since the Kuki civil society groups moved to the Supreme Court with this petition. And in fact, at that point of time, the Supreme Court had asked for the FSL report, which was submitted at the Supreme Court in sealed envelope, which the Supreme Court has gone through and now have asked for the for another report. Now, what is important to note here is that Mr. Biren Singh resigned ahead of a crucial assembly session, which was scheduled to take place in Manipur, which eventually did not take place, and most importantly, after that we saw Manipur being placed under President's rule in February this year. So therefore, and this was also days ahead of the previous hearing, the hearing in the month of March that was supposed to take place in Supreme Court on this case. So if you look at the circumstances, then definitely the timing of Biren Singh's arrest is very crucial. Biren Singh's resignation, I beg your pardon, Biren Singh's resignation is very crucial, given the fact that there is an investigation which is going on. There is this case which is very sensitive in Supreme Court. Now, what the petitioners are arguing here is that this purported audio tape is basically the voice there is of Biren Singh. However, Biren Singh himself and the BJP had always denied this allegation, said that the tapes are doctored, and therefore now all eyes will be on the second report. As Supreme Court says, the investigation will continue.
All right. Thank you so much, Ratnadeep, for getting us all those details there. We'll come back to you later as more developments come in. And if there is a reaction as well from Biren Singh or more reactions as they come in,